Ever wondered how some companies just seem to get company culture right? Today, we're diving deep into the culture crafting strategies of two fintech giants, Ramp and Plaid, uncovering how they've built environments where employees thrive. Ramp emphasizes open communication and radical transparency, fostering a culture where every team member feels heard and valued. Their regular all-hands meetings and feedback sessions ensure alignment across the organization. Plaid, on the other hand, champions innovation and ownership. They encourage employees to take initiative, experiment with new ideas, and directly contribute to the company's growth. Think hackathons and dedicated innovation sprints. What both companies nail is the commitment to employee growth. Ramp provides mentorship programs and learning resources, while Plaid offers ample opportunities for professional development through workshops and conferences. They also prioritize creating a positive work-life balance, organizing team outings, wellness programs, and flexible work arrangements, leading to increased engagement and reduced burnout. By focusing on open communication, empowering employees, and supporting their overall well-being, Ramp and Plaid have cultivated thriving company cultures that drive innovation and success. That's how Ramp and Plaid create a culture craft. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on company culture and business strategy. What are your thoughts on Ramp and Plaid's approach? Let us know in the comments below.